Open sesame. Let's open this one. Right, so now I've successfully opened the battery, and you can see that there's a whole lot of things going on inside the battery. So this is the onboard breaker, this one. This is the onboard breaker. So currently it's off. So I just want to explain to you what's happening to inside this battery. So you can see that this is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal, and there are two wires that are coming from those sides going to this small board. Yeah, this small board that you see. Yeah, so this is the board that is giving us the battery warning and the SOC, right? So the minute you switch on this breaker, it means current is going to flow